Zepeto is a popular virtual world and social networking platform where users can create 3D avatars and explore various activities. You can make money on Zepeto as a beginner by engaging in the following strategies. Create and sell virtual items. Zepeto allows users to create virtual clothes, accessories, and outfits for avatars. If you have design skills, you can create unique and stylish items, then sell them in the Zepeto store. You can earn in-game currency by creating popular designs that other users purchase. Participate in the Zepeto Creator Program. Zepeto has a creator program that rewards users for creating high-quality content. You can apply to join this program and monetize your designs, whether it's clothing, accessories, or virtual spaces. Once approved, you earn a percentage of the sales from your creations. Offer services to other users. You can offer services like customizing avatars or creating personalized virtual outfits for other players. As the platform allows a social community, users often pay for unique customizations, live streaming, and tips. You can also live stream on Zepeto and earn tips or gifts from viewers. Engaging in real-time interaction and showcasing your creativity can help you gain followers and earn tips.